Hello children. So in this segment of learning, I'll tell you another important word today, and it is very common word. You can see here I have written look. Okay. So you all have to look here today. Okay. Are you looking? I'm also looking at you. Okay. Look के बहुत सारे प्रयोग हैं. There are many uses of look, but still people do not look, you know, regarding this. They do not see anything other than the word look only. They use it in a different way. So today you will be told that this simple look can be looked into different ways also. अलग अलग तरह से इसको हम देख सकते हैं, अलग अलग तरह से इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. So today you will be told those different situations, those different angles, from where we can use this particular word into different ways with different meanings. Clear? Are you ready? Okay, I am also ready. Look. So look, the first use, it is noun. Look मतलब कोई दृश्य. Look, my look, his looks. So it's related to that also. Looks. Looks here means somebody's appearance. It might be animal, it might be a human being, whatever. Clear? Looks. Expressions. Appearance. How does he or she looks like? Next. Now then we can use look as a verb also. Verb. You can use this word look as a verb. Look, looked, looked, looking. Okay, देखना. Other than these, see, these are the things that I want that all of you learn today, and you use these words and feel the magic of language. Listen, the first one is look after. Look after, देखभाल करना, means take care of something. Look after, it is used into different situations. You have been given some responsibility and you are told इसकी देखभाल करना. So what you will say? Please look after this thing. Means it becomes your responsibility. Please look after my child. देखभाल करो उसकी. Clear? So look after, it can be used into this situation also. Then we have look for. See, look for means to search for lost thing. कोई वस्तु आपकी गुम हो गई है and you are in search of that. I am looking for my Parker pen. Clear? Means you have lost it somewhere. So you are trying to find your lost object. So there you will use look for. Clear? I am looking for my purse. You have lost somewhere. She is looking for her English notebook. She has lost somewhere. ठीक है, कोई गुम हो गई है वस्तु और उसको हम ढूंढना चाहते हैं, ढूंढ रहे हैं, या ट्राइंग वेरी मच like hard, very hard effort you are making to find out. So there we use look for. Clear? Next is look into. Look into is very important, children. Often you have heard this phrase, please look into this matter. Look into this matter means कि उसकी हमको छानबीन करनी है. See, to probe. Suppose there is a dispute between Ram and Shyam, and an old man has been asked to bring about some reconciliation. उनका समझौता करवाना है. So what we say? What do we say in this situation? Old man, just look into this matter. ओके, एक्सक्यूज मी ओल्ड मैन, प्लीज लुक इनटू दिस मैटर, कि इसका इस मैटर को सुलझाओ, इसकी जांच करो एंड कम टू अ सॉल्यूशन. Like an SIT has been made and that SIT is looking into the matter. You know, many cases these days, Sushant Rajput, many cases are there. So everything. So the system, it is looking into the matter. So तलाश करना, छानबीन करना, not तलाश करना, छानबीन करना. Next, then we have lookout. See, lookout, normally children, this is related to a person or something, like you are in search of some kind of option. It is also related to a person who is missing. कोई व्यक्ति गायब हो गया है, तो उसका हमको एक प्रोसेस होता है कि उसका लुकआउट का नोटिस निकाल दो. मतलब गुम हो गया है, उसका लुकआउट का नोटिस निकाल दो. क्लियर? एंड लुकआउट ऑल्सो मीन्स दैट यू आर लुकिंग आउट और यू आर इन सर्च ऑफ. सी, दिस इज डिफरेंट टू दिस वन. सपोज यू आर इन सर्च ऑफ जॉब, you are in search of a person who is a skilled laborer. You are in search of a person who is a good teacher. You are in search of a person who is expert in some kind of mechanical work. So there we use lookout. I am looking out for a person, or I am looking out for a person who is fit for this job. Clear? So there we use lookout. And lookout also, it is used for some kind of prisoner also, like who is at large, भाग गया है. So lookout notice, it is for that situation also. Clear? Now then another is look down upon. See, look down upon, children, this is also very very important. It is very important because such kind of situation often it is done by, or it is created by those people who are egoistic, who are you can say arrogant people, who have like the effect of some sort of prejudices. मतलब उनके अंदर द्वेष भावना होती है. They are you can say irritative, उनके अंदर घमंड भी होता है. So look down upon means to criticize people. Okay, or you can say one more situation we can see, when we underestimate the people. When we underestimate the people, when we every time feel to bring an insult to somebody, that kind of behavior. Okay, like the rich people always look down upon the poor people. Clear? Those who you know, in some countries still it is there, the white people, they look down upon the blacks. Clear? So this is very very important to create like this particular idiom. It is used to create differences. I expect you should not practice such kind of thing in your life. You can use it only in written, spoken, in other words, don't practice it. Okay. So next is look in. See, look in, एक सीधा सीधा इसका मतलब होता है झांकना, ताक झांक करना. Okay, looking. So looking here, like to peep into. You try to peep into a room. You try to peep into like a window. You know what is happening inside. So there it is. You know, like I found that boy looking in the room. Clear? I found that person looking in that window means they try to get some information. They are not allowed to get in, they are not allowed to go in into the room. Okay, so that's why they do such kind of thing. That is very uh, poor thing when we do. This is strictly prohibited, children. We should not practice such thing also. Unless you are allowed, you should not try to go somewhere else. Okay, so this is another segment I have given you about this simple word look, and I hope you have understood this particular information that I have given with the help of this word look. So today you certainly have looked this word look with a different look, okay, to get some information, and hopefully you are looking forward, for uh, other information regarding such kind of things, and hopefully I'll be providing you in the same way, and it will certainly enrich your vocabulary as well.